I haven't been happy with using these boneless country-style pork ribs from Costco. Every time I cook them, it's a little bit too chewy. So, what to do? You know what? I'm going to make sliders or hamburgers. Hopefully, there's going to be enough fat on here. So I will very easily just cut this up. And into the mix, after I grind this up, I will put dry onion powder, garlic powder. So let me grind this all up and then make a test patty. But it looks like the amount of fat that's mixing with it looks pretty good, where it will be juicy. And of course I'm going to add salt to that mix. Well, everything dry is in there. And I'm going to mix it up and make a test patty and see how it tastes. Well, I know that might look like a meatball, but after I flip this over, then I'm going to squash it. And just by what you see coming off of that fat, this should be juicy. I'll know in a few minutes. You know, when I was an apprentice like 50 years ago, thereabouts, 1961, I would have eaten that raw to test it, but not today. I'd eat ground beef raw when I was a kid, but not today. See how things have changed? Well, I put down the amount of meat there was. Now let me taste this. That was seasoned just right. And if you like the flavor of like almost a stuffing or a sausage flavor, leave everything in there that I have. That's what you're going to get out of this. So for all of you that use or have bought the country style spare ribs from Costco, there is enough fat. This is much more pleasurable to eat than trying to cut that meat on a plate and chew it. It tastes just like a sausage patty. Well, it does have the ingredients. You will enjoy this one.